Yeah, I could have gone faster.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yeah, you're gonna have to come in fast like Mark said.
Yeah. And that wind is kicking it.
I can tell.
Yeah, I just totally lost it there. All right, babe, I'm gonna land it now.
You gonna land it? Oh,
Yeah.
I do want to get it landing. I'll get a video.
I'm curious to see how much battery it kills.
Time remaining 1 minute. Airspeed. Airspeed. Airspeed.
Well, like now, it's hard to see the orientation. Whoa.
Is that a new battery?
Yep. Well, no, it's a.
No, I mean, you've replaced the battery.
Yeah, it has 93% battery.
Fast.
Did you just see that?
Yeah, well, you about stalled.
Yeah, I know.
I thought it would go a little faster.
Well, it'll go faster if I take the wheels off when we hand launch it, but I ain't ready for that yet.
I'm not even sure you have to do much to hand launch it.
Well, I just got 2 brand new 4S batteries for it for Horizon, so we'll try those this weekend.
100 Cs.
No, I actually they recommended 30. They gave me the discount for 30, so we'll see what they say. These have been,
I got.
I know, that's what I was wondering too. I was like, really? But they said it will work, so we'll see.
Yeah.
It does seem draggy though with those wheels on it.
Yeah. And you can certainly land it in the grass.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good picture. Okay. I got some pictures in the clouds and all that good stuff.
Oh, good.
I want some video.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
You could try a low fly
Yeah.
real fast. Don't want to lose power on this machine because we need a bigger version of this.
Yeah.
Airspeed. Time remaining 1 minute.
Wow.
Can't see it.
Hey,
All
that's
right.
good. That's better.
Very good, Johnny.
I'm glad you came out there. Yeah, I'm gonna try to roll it back. Should be able to come back.
Will you bring it back? Oh, yeah. You made the little circle. You getting good at that, too. That's good.
Yeah, this is good. I'm glad I got to see this.
You'll make a video. I got some good footage of video going around.
So-
Sorted the wheels out.
I had to